From flat steel to a finished gas stove, punched, pressed, polished, and flame tested. Watch the whole build, how the metal bends, how the gas flows, and how every leak is found before it reaches your kitchen. A stove looks simple. Top sheet, 2 burners, a few knobs. But every millimeter matters. Wrong hole size, poor weld, or a loose valve means leaks and wasted fuel. Today you'll see the real factory steps that turn stainless sheet and brass into a safe, reliable gas stove. We start with stainless steel sheets. They're sheared to size and blanked into the top panel, sidewalls, and bottom tray. Clean cuts prevent burrs that could scratch or cut gaskets later. Accurate blanks mean the press hits the right spots every time. The top hob gets its strength from shape. Press tools deep draw the bowl around each burner and add ribs so heavy pots don't flex the sheet. Edge vems fold sharp edges inward for safety and stiffness. Next, holes are punched for burners, pan support pins, igniter tips, and screws. Studs and brackets are spot welded so the top locks to the body later. A quick deburr keeps edges skin safe. Side panels and the bottom tray are bent on a press brake. We build a square, rigid frame so valves and piping stay aligned. Alignment here makes the knobs feel smooth instead of crunchy. Stainless gets a brushed finish, so fingerprints hide and water wipes clean. After polishing, a protective film goes on to survive the rest of assembly without scratches. Below the top, a steel or brass manifold feeds each burner. Pipes are cut, bent, and threaded. Valves drop in and seal with gaskets. Each jet or orifice meters the gas. Too big wastes fuel, too small chokes the flame. Burners mix gas with air in a venturi before the flame. Rings are brass or cast aluminum. Caps spread the flame evenly. For ignition, a piezo clicker or electric spark sits near the port. One tap, instant blue flame. Now we pressure check every joint. A soap solution makes leaks show as bubbles, or we use a manometer to watch for pressure drop. Any leak gets reseated or resealed now, not in someone's kitchen. We light each burner and tune air shutters for a steady blue flame. Yellow tips mean poor mix. Roaring means too much air. Knobs must go from low simmer to high boil without blowing out. Sharp edges knocked down, feet level, knobs aligned, igniters clicking, labels straight. If anything feels off, it loops back. A good stove should feel solid the first time you touch it. Accessories in, manual in, foam corners on, box closed. Protective film stays on for the buyer to peel at home. The line keeps moving, another unit takes its place. From flat sheet to flame, that's a stainless steel gas stove built right. Want more satisfying factory builds? Subscribe and tell us which machine you want to see next.